Hello again for the third session on AI on the Edge. So assignment was to loop and ask for grades and output the sum and average of the grades. So as you see here, we initialize an array, empty array, then we set up a loop for inputting grades here. Each value is prompted by a grade and the number of the grade. I add one in order to avoid to have a grade 0, grade 1, grade 2. So arrays here start at 0. So when we do a range, first value is 0. So I just add one just for the convenience of the human reading the interface. We append the grade to the array, my grades. We don't do the check if user inputs something that is not an integer. Of course there will be a problem, but we are in an approach of intelligent user and a stupid application. We can have the reverse, but it takes a little bit more verifications and exception handling, etc. So when we have entered all the values, we can make the second loop. Before that we initialize the sum at 0, and for each value in the array we can directly loop on the array, and each step will get the value, the current value of the array. It's a little bit different the other approach, which would be to use the index. So here it's like a for each loop, we call this. For each value in the array we get the value and add it to the sum. Then afterwards we can print the sum and the average, which is sum divided by the number of grades. So when we execute this, how many grades? Let's say 3. Grade 1 will be 4. Grade 2 will be 6. Grade 3 will be 5. So the sum is 15 and the average is 5. And we ask next series of values. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.